pizza bread. And so, did you like it, guys? I am spreading ketchup. And now, and put cheese on it. My mommy is gonna have cheese in ketchup.
You must remember, guys, to have clean hands when doing and when preparing your baons. Ooh.
Yes, mommy. And I'll put cheese in the pizza breads.
Pakita mo yung food cheese natin.
Here, everything is pizza bread. Did you like it, guys? Yes, and I'm going to bring it to school. And hope you guys to see you in this channel. See you tomorrow.
See you!
So hi guys, so ito lulutuin na natin yung ginawa ni Ate na pizza bread. So yun yung gusto niyang baon sa kanyang pagpasok sa school. So ilalagay natin dito sa air fryer. Ayan, lagay natin dito at lutuin natin ang kanyang ginawa na pizza bread. So ito guys, ayan, lalagay natin. I-oven lang natin, parang oven na rin itong air fryer. Ang masarap dito, maraming cheese. Yan ang nilagay niya, tsaka yung ito, ketchup, Del Monte ketchup. Ayan, lalo na pag nagmamadali ka, pumasok sa school. Ayan, masarap itong baon. Parang ito-toast lang natin at ready na para kainin. Ayan, okay. So, ayan, maganda na. Naluto na siya. So, ayan guys. Simple lang gawin ito at very economical. So, cheese lang, tsaka yung tomato ketchup. Ayan. Pwede na sa baon ng mga anak ninyo. Okay guys, sa mga nanood nitong video, maraming salamat. Until the next vlog. Bye-bye!